In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Calendar dark mode. If you like a softer look that's easier on your eyes in the evening, or you simply prefer a sleek interface, switching Google Calendar to dark mode only takes a moment. I'll walk you through it step by step, explain what each option does, and share a few quick tips so you know exactly what to expect. First, open Google Calendar on your computer. You can use any modern web browser. Make sure you're signed into the account you use for your events so the setting applies where you need it. Once the calendar loads, look toward the top right of the page. You'll see a small gear icon, which is the settings menu. Click that gear, then choose Settings from the drop-down to open the full settings page. On the left side of the settings page, you'll find a list of sections. Click Appearance. This is where Google keeps the visual theme options for calendar. If you don't immediately see Appearance, give the page a second to load or scroll a bit in the left sidebar. It should be near the top under the general settings. Inside Appearance, you'll see the theme choices. Select Dark to force Google Calendar to use a dark theme at all times. This turns the background and interface elements into deeper shades while keeping your event colors readable. If you prefer your calendar to match whatever your device is doing, choose Device Default. With Device Default selected, Calendar will automatically switch between light and dark based on your system or browser theme, so it stays consistent with the rest of your setup. As soon as you pick Dark or Device Default, the change applies instantly. There's no save button needed. You'll notice the calendar grid, side panel, and menus adopt a darker palette right away, while your event colors remain distinct for clarity. If anything looks a bit too dim, try zooming in slightly in your browser or adjusting your monitor brightness for comfortable viewing. If you ever want to change the look again, return to the same appearance section and choose the option that fits your preference. And if the appearance option isn't visible, refreshing the page or updating your browser usually clears it up. That's it! Open Google Calendar, click Settings, go to Appearance, and select Dark or Device Default. Enjoy a cleaner, low-glare calendar that's easier on your eyes and looks great day or night.